How to log chats on WhatsApp. What is up, everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log chats on WhatsApp. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is simply tap on the chat that you want to log. For example, if I just want to log this chat, I'm just going to tap on it. And now if you tap on the chat settings and tap on the top right corner, here you won't be able to see any other options. So I'm just going to go back. And even if I tap here, as you can see, there is no option to lock the chat. So you'll have to go back to your inbox, long press and hold on the chat section, and then tap on the three lines. Now here you have an option to lock chats, so just tap on it. You can use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read conversation and notification on this device. So just tap on continue. If you want, you can use your PIN, or if you want, you can use your fingerprint as well. I'm just going to use my fingerprint, so I'm just going to tap on it and tap on lock chat and then use this. Now, once you do that, you will have an option for locked chats right here if you scroll down to your screen. Just tap on it, use your fingerprint, and your chat will be unlocked. Now, if you want, you can use the chat lock settings to hide the locked chats. So if you just turn it on, it will hide you with a secret code. So you can create a secret code to hide your locked chat. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.